Do you think Tesla stock is a buy today given its current valuation at around $120 per share? Well, even experts are at odds regarding this. Some believe that Tesla stock during the dip is indeed a buying opportunity, while others believe otherwise. You would not want to miss this info. Tesla has taken the auto industry by storm and has single-handedly taken electric vehicles mainstream. Forced with the decision to change or get left behind, legacy automakers are now racing to put out their own EV models, challenging Tesla's control of the future of the industry. As a stock, Tesla has been a huge winner in recent years, though bears have always roared, convinced that the company is overselling its future technology and that CEO Elon Musk isn't a trustworthy leader. Tesla stock has tumbled in recent months. What investors would like to know is whether or not it is a buy. As Tesla stock is down 64% in 2022, is Tesla stock a buy for 2023? These days, Tesla is making noise for all the wrong reasons. Tesla stock is down in 2022 as CEO Elon Musk has diverted his attention to his acquisition of Twitter. However, some view the dip as a buying opportunity. One of them is star investor CATHIE Wood, who has bought Tesla shares several times over the past few months, with her latest buy on December 15th. Along with CATHIE, many believe that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has been stacking up on Tesla shares too. When asked about his thoughts on Tesla and its controversial CEO Elon Musk, Buffett vaguely answered, "He's done some remarkable things." Buffett also said this about the famous EV maker: "Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors." Buffett has previously hailed Musk as a wonderful individual, but has also stated that he has room for improvement and should be more judicious in his tweeting. It is no secret just how controversial Musk is, especially with how he exchanges tweets with his followers. Some may even argue that at least half of the time Tesla trended is not actually because of the brand itself, but because of its leader. However, despite his positive outlook for Tesla and good words for its CEO Elon Musk, Buffett appears to be a believer in BYD and GM. While Berkshire has never invested in Tesla, the company held $6.1 billion of Chinese electric vehicle stock BYD company ADR and $2.2 billion of General Motors company stock as of the end of 2021. Warren Buffett is arguably the world's most famous investor, and his investment moves are closely followed. The legendary investors conglomerate sold another 3.2 million Hong Kong-listed shares of BYD in the past week, cutting its stake to 15.99% as shown in a Hong Kong Stock Exchange filing. The sale was valued at about $80 million. This fueled more speculations that Buffett is selling BYD shares in favor of Tesla stock. Recent statements from Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman did not douse rising suppositions that the company is buying or at least preparing to buy Tesla shares. It can be noted that Buffett's right-hand man Charlie Munger recently stated that what Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle. In a recent CNBC Squawk Box episode, Munger spoke highly of Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla, calling it an amazing feat in the American auto industry. "I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did," Munger said in the interview. However, Munger noted that he does not equate Tesla with Bitcoin. According to him, Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization and that its CEO Elon Musk has done some good things that others couldn't do. "We haven't had a successful new auto company in a long time. What Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle," Munger said. "He's done some remarkable things. Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors," Warren Buffett said of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Although Berkshire has never before invested in Tesla, Buffett praised Musk's accomplishments at Tesla in a 2022 interview. "I mean, Elon didn't. He's taking on General Motors, Ford, Toyota, all these people who've got all the stuff. And he's got an idea, and he's winning. That's America. You can't dream it up. It's astounding," Buffett said. When asked about whether or not Warren Buffett would invest in Tesla stock, the Oracle of Omaha kept his answers short. "No," Buffett said. However, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sale of BYD shares, a close competitor of Tesla, made people wonder if Buffett is changing his mind about this matter. Berkshire has not disclosed the reason for the sales, which made people think that it's because he is jumping ship. Influencer Christopher Dungeon believes that there is a 25% probability that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have been accumulating Tesla stock for Berkshire Hathaway. In a series of tweets, Dungeon shared his thoughts about Buffett's secret purchase of Tesla shares. Dungeon said in a mid-November tweet, "My 25% subjective probability is not a formal mathematical calculation. Instead, it is my own personal belief and judgment that an accumulation of at least some small scale, less than $1 billion, is currently happening behind the scenes." Dungeon also laid out some of his rationale and theoretical reasoning about the matter. He pointed out that Charlie Munger recently had nice things to say about Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk after having just been negative on Tesla in February of this year. It can be noted that Elon Musk once said Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger told guests at a lunch all the ways his EV maker Tesla will fail. In a tweet in February, Musk shared, "I was at a lunch with Munger in 2009 where he told the whole table all the ways Tesla would fail. Made me quite sad, but I told him I agree with all those reasons and that we would probably die, but it was worth trying anyway." However, in a recent interview, Munger says he doesn't recall that and went on to praise the company. Dungeon believes that the reason for the sudden change is that you don't talk badly about a company you own. This definitely makes sense, as you would never want to badmouth a product you're pouring your money on to produce. Dungeon also noted that during the interview, Becky Quick never followed up with Munger to ask if he or Berkshire was accumulating Tesla stock. That would normally be an immediate follow-up question, but likely never asked because the talking point was off the table prior to the interview taking place, Dungeon claims. According to Dungeon, buying Tesla shares now is the ultimate contrarian move, as nobody wants to touch it. PMs don't care about the underlying fundamentals. They care more about Twitter and Elon selling more shares. Elon's sales have absolutely zero to do with Tesla's value. Zero. Buffett thinks long-term, says Dungeon. However, some believe that Tesla CEO Elon Musk's sales of Tesla shares have a direct impact on the company. The stock has been absolutely hammered as it cratered this month, falling more than 29% as of the market close on December 20th. This decline adds to the already brutal year for the stock, bringing Tesla shares' total year-to-date return to a loss of more than 60%. While the electric car maker stock has been slammed this year, the underlying business is doing quite well. Tesla's third-quarter vehicle deliveries, for instance, rose 42% year-over-year. Growth was impressive sequentially, too. Tesla's record third-quarter deliveries of 343,830 were up from deliveries of 254,695 in the second quarter. Demand for vehicles that will be shipped in the final quarter of the year is excellent, according to comments from Tesla CEO Elon Musk in the company's fourth-quarter earnings call. Indeed, demand is trending so well that Musk said that the company expects to sell every car that we make for as far into the future as we can see. The company's vehicle production is also going well, with Tesla's management saying in the company's third-quarter earnings call that it had achieved a production volume of 2,000 cars per week at its new factory in Germany. Its new factory in Texas should hit this same milestone soon, management added. Meanwhile, production at the company's factory in Fremont, California hit record levels during the period. Finally, the company is doing well too. Free cash flow was $3.3 billion during Q3, up 148% year-over-year. Bolstering its balance sheet is $21.1 billion of cash and marketable securities, up $2.2 billion sequentially. Tesla's stock's valuation is starting to look attractive in the context of the business's underlying momentum. While it's always possible that growth doesn't pan out as expected, particularly in the near term as macroeconomic uncertainty potentially leads to some consumers delaying vehicle purchases, the company's recent growth and its exciting product pipeline make a good case for the stock. While there are always risks to owning the notoriously volatile stock, experts believe that it may make sense to make Tesla shares a small percentage of your portfolio at its current price. Make sure to subscribe to this channel now.